So are you like me and you really like chicken nuggets, but you make your own? Just like this. These are amazing, but I still want the sweet and sour sauce. I mean, I don't want to go to McDonald's every time I want to go get it. So I'm going to show you how to make your own. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's get these ingredients in here. We're going to do 1/4 cup of the apricot preserves and 1/4 cup of the peach preserves. Okay, and then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup. Okay, then we're going to do 5 teaspoons of distilled white vinegar. One and a half teaspoons of cornstarch. Half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of yellow mustard. We're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to use my kosher salt and just grind a little in. We're going to do 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, and our next step is to go ahead and get this all blended together. I'm going to use my immersion blender. I think this is the best tool for this job. You can use your food processor or blender if you don't have one of these. You probably use a hand whisk. It might take a while, but you know, you're going to want to do this until it's nice and smooth. For me, it's about 2 minutes. Okay, so our next step is we're going to go ahead and get it into this little saucepan here, and we're going to bring it just to a boil and then let it simmer for a few minutes, and then that's it. It'll be done. And at this point, there is one more thing we need to add. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of water into the saucepan with this. And also, don't forget to give this a little stir occasionally. Okay, the timer is up and the 5 minutes are done. I'm going to take this off of the heat, transfer into my little bowl. All right, and while that's cooling, go ahead and check out this video up here. It's how I make the best chicken nuggets that you can enjoy with this sauce. All right, so that's how we put this sauce together. It's actually pretty simple. You really just put it together, you use your immersion blender, you put it on the stove for a few, you let it cool off, and it's ready to eat. So I have some real McDonald's sweet and sour sauce here as well as mine, and I made some more of my chicken nuggets. So let's see here. Let's get this, actually, you know, let's do this one first. I love that sauce. Now let's see how mine compares. Oh my God. That's spot on. That's so good. And it's not hard to make. Now in my area, the apricot and the peach preserves are a little hard to get a hold of. But, I mean, if you got all the ingredients, it just takes a few minutes to throw it together. And this is good. This is really good. So also, if you haven't seen this video yet of how I make my chicken nuggets, there's a card right up here. I'll probably put a video here. And there's probably also a video down in the description. I got many other videos and I got more coming. So, we'll see you guys in the next one.